Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 Neo, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we need to open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, it's quite similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now we need to open the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got the option delete browsing data. So just tap on it, and here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache, and other site data. Here we can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks, or even all time, and all you need to do is to tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got them. So in advanced, we've got tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, you need to make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. Here we've got the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks, or even all time. And after choosing it, simply tap on delete data. We just got back, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset or actually removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.